All the walls had to be stripped, the carpet taken up. We're now taking up all the floorboards. We may have to take up even the sleepers and start from scratch. It's like recreating the world from the very beginning. You want to see our boiler room? This is our boiler room. This was filled over my head. The boiler provides the heat for the building. We just recently put in a new boiler. That's all gone. And but just as the boiler provides the heat for our shul, we haven't lost the heat of our excitement and our enthusiasm to rebuild. And as they say, the show will go on, and the heat will go on here. The heat of davening, the heat of learning, the heat of caring, of reaching out to the community, and from the depths of this filthy boiler room will come a beautiful, beautiful edifice, a beautiful establishment of acts of goodness and kindness.